We're watching Pork TV, motherfuckers.
To tape the spot where we cut. And then we're gonna put the GoPro out there, and then we're gonna. It's too windy. I was gonna try my new drone shots, but it's way too windy for it to hover straight. So it's gonna just be two views: the GoPro and this. Okay, let's get to it. We're gonna cut out a little piece here, and this knife is from Walmart. This is a super sharp knife. I got it for my birthday about 2 years ago, and I'm very scared. I don't want the fucker to slide and come out my finger off. So I'll just do it like that.
Yep.
Pop it on.
Man, it smells good when you eat it. But then, we're gonna get some more. We'll do some stuff. And put that in the bag. Nope. Come on. Alright, I think we got it. Me too. And you just pour the juice out later on. Yes, sir. Beautiful. Alright. Now, we're gonna put this source on the floor now. I'm gonna eat this. So you know it's real. I'm gonna bite, sure. Not smart. Alright, we got this. I'll put it now. Big enough. Use it like this. Watch me make a video, guys. I'm done with the knife. Alright, now that has to be big enough. Beautiful. That's good. Alright, up there right now. Oh, yeah. Watermelon bomb, that's what this is. That's called. Right here. So this will, let's try this as fast as we can. Amigo, we're gonna go pro, it'll cover.
Yeah, went all that way. We're just trying to make a precaution. Start a fire out here together. There you go. Pork Sosa TV. part 2. We had to tape the fuse because the last fuse got wet. Let's see what happens. Doing it for you too. Holy shit. That fucker. Oh, shit.
Yeah, I think the watermelon won, eh? Shit.
The watermelon fucking won.
Surprised?
Alright, YouTube. Second attempt. The smaller artillery. Third attempt. Smaller artillery shot. We taped it up more and we have it. We put it sideways in there. Let's see if this thing goes. What the fuck? Shoot!
Yeah.
It's still here!
Baby one's not working. It's gonna have to be the big one, but
That fucker is burnt like fuck though. They're like,
it smells like crap.
cool. That sucks.
Well, it's
I
water.
wanted it to blast.
Watermelon.
Bring me that other big one. Go give me the big one. He's just gonna put it in there. And a baggie. John, we're gonna definitely need the water.
Okay, you want to light it and have a piece of tape and slap it over the hole? Yeah. Really?
No, I'll pull the tape off of this.
Is it all
Don't we
wet?
cut it? There's that one.
Whoa. Oh, whoa. You're on a limit, time limit.
Very tiny. Oh, and a bag, Riz. Oh, never mind.
Just get it. Is that one that just blows up or what?
This is gonna blow up and double pop. I'm gonna kind of like.
Light it and shove it in there or something?
Kind of wish it was a baggie, but fuck it. Let's see if it lights.
Oh shit. No more. It blew up right here on the thing by the GoPro, bro.
The GoPro took a hit. We're still going.
Yeah. Look. It blew it made a fucking
Dent.
dent in the damn wheelbarrow.
Fucking watermelon. Those are the GMO. Those are the genetically modified fucking watermelons. That fucker is not gonna blow. I tried, guys.
Watermelon won, that's all I got to say.